Hi, I'm Peter. I'm a full stack engineer working at RigUp, and I've been there since the start of May, so 5 months or so now. It's absolutely flown in. So I previously came from some cybersecurity, so RigUp was a totally new industry for me to be going into. So it's just been a really fulfilling experience for the past couple of months. The first thing I noticed, I was talking to Paul, the VP of Engineering and the site lead at Belfast, and he was telling me about the tech stack. All microservice architecture, really modern, using Node.js and React for the back end and front end. And I just thought it suited really well for me. It was all stuff I'd worked on before, and I knew it was where we were going in the future. That's what the future is going to be. It was a very easy interview process, a very quick coding assessment, and then a follow-up interview. After that, I got the job offer. And started. And when I started, obviously, I was a bit nervous about starting in the pandemic. How was this going to go? I've never started a job remotely before, but honestly, all my fears were put at ease quite quickly. The plan set out for me from the moment I started, stuff to work through, and I was immediately introduced to every member of the team in like a group video call. And I was assigned a buddy as well, so it was just someone who I could message quickly with any silly query or anything that I had, and I had quite a few the first couple of weeks. But from there on, it became very clear to me that there was going to be a very smooth onboarding process, that I was given some work to do pretty quickly, which I was glad about. So sometimes you're sitting about for the first couple of weeks starting a company, waiting to get access, stuff like that. But here I was coding pretty quickly. And that meant I sort of got to know who was who in the company and how the systems work together. It was just generally very smooth, and no, it was excellent. I definitely recommend anyone to work at RigUp. I think it's a really interesting tech stack and one that's open to change. It's not set in stone, and I think the company and the engineering organisation is really open to change, and you're going to get a lot of exposure to lots of different technologies, and yeah, just a really beneficial way to progress your career. So the culture's excellent. I mentioned previously that I've been out of uni 4 years, but I feel like one of the more junior engineers. I feel like I've built probably one of the best engineering teams in Belfast, with a senior team that's had so much experience all across the board. And I've been able to learn so much from them, but at the same time, it's a really open culture. Be able to talk to anyone, and even in the current pandemic, it just feels like we're all gelling really well together, and yeah, we're really working, and Belfast is really making an impact on the entire company.